All right, welcome to the Bama Bake Shack. Oh, I tell you, we've been out to the farm and market today, opening day. Man, they had all kind of groceries right there, and red crafts and everything. We sat out there from about 2 o'clock and got hot. And we had a youth, the church's youth group out by. They did pretty good on the little bake sale, and we did pretty good. I think everybody did pretty good out there. You know, stayed out there and talked and invited folk to church and uh, sold a few things and listened to some live music and they had a bunch of them out there today. But anyway, we got that done and I got home and got my new mold in. This came right on like it's supposed to. It didn't go all over the country for it down here. Just here, we're gonna try to shoot it today. I'm just gonna use some remelt stuff here, some green pumpkin and some chartreuse. Uh, I just got through with the order with him. I'm gonna shoot this here mold folks is an epic bake mold. 6.2 years a four cavity mold. And I'm gonna do something that I usually don't do. I'm gonna shoot this thing in a laminate. I had two colors left over and they look pretty good together. And I said, I usually don't shoot a new mold in a laminate, but I'm gonna try it today and see how it goes. And we got to get this here plastic warmed up and see what it's gonna do. We'll start with our top color first. Put it in there about 2 minutes. See what it's gonna do. Anyway, we got a big order field out. While this thing got cooking now, I did a sticker swap with them on the YouTube here. With them on Who's Your Hooking? Who's Your Hooking? Them stickers come in today. I sent him some of mine. He sent me some of his, sent me a big one, a couple big ones, and a couple little ones here. I think that two little ones stuck there together. Yeah, that's two little ones stuck together. And I'm gonna put one of them out on my microwave. Some of them big ones up there. I ain't got my board started yet. I asked for a baseball, but I ain't even got my sticker board up. I'm put that sticker board up here somewhere. I got to get to work on that pretty quick. Thank you, there, Mister. Who's your hooking? He does a real good job. Lives up there in Indiana, I think it is. Uh, yeah, Indiana. Does a real good job. Has some good color. He does a lot of crappie baits. He does some bad baits too. He does a real good job on them. Quiet to him about a sticker swap, and he said, "Yeah, he do it to it." So try to get ourselves known out there a little bit. Let other folks know about it. I mean, we just getting started in all this and all kind of new to us. We're gonna try to get it done and get them over there out of the way. See if I don't want to lose them. I gotta put them up where I won't throw them away. Well, the old lady won't throw them away. That's what I got to worry about. Her coming down here and throwing them away. Now she is the one you got to worry about. I'm gonna see if I can find the vacuum it out. I hope I'm vacuuming out in that too. It ain't been sitting down here but a day. It probably ain't gonna take much to vacuum. I'm gonna have to warm it just a little bit more. They put it in there for a little bit more. You got two shoots from chartreuse, yeah. So maybe it's gonna be all right. I hope. Probably ain't gonna have to vacuum in. Yeah, we went out there and spent all day out there in that bank, talked to some folks and had some good ideas. And so they all asked me what I got to catch a fish. I tell them everything I got I can catch a fish. I ain't got nothing that won't catch a fish. Had some past customers come by and give me a little feedback on them. Said they caught fish with them. Bought a few more that they needed. Got one old girl come by there. She wanted some worms. She got a pack of worms. And didn't have but one pack like she wanted. She said, I usually come down here every Saturday when the market going on. So pour me another pack or two of them and keep me some in spare. So she must fish a little bit with me, you know. Ain't nothing wrong with that. I wish I had a little more time to go fishing. I think the old lady going down that next Saturday to the farmer's market. She says she is here and the son going down there to go set up and a granddaughter. Well, I gotta go over to the park over here. Cause got going. They church. My cousin goes over there. River Life over there. He goes over there to the River Life, and they gonna have a kids event over there to run away for the kids and all. Try to get them into fishing a little bit and have a good time with them. And some of them ain't never fished, some has fished. I'm gonna go out and help them out with that. I told them I'd come over and help them out. So we gonna be busy next weekend again, too. Hey, gonna get to go fishing next weekend. But I can't complain if it helped the young and I. Yeah, they did kids. Yeah, you want that's not a bad from that. It was close. We got it, did. What they say we got it, did. Let's put that off. Oh, hang on. I hope I ain't burning. It's already looked on the bottom running starch. That's gonna be my top color, green pumpkin. Bottom color gonna be a chartreuse. We might have to warm all this up. I want to doctor on that chartreuse just a little more than what I had doctored on it over yonder. My other little shoot there. I'm gonna put a little zang in it, as you would say. That's what I'm hoping to do. Ooh, we're gonna see if we can do it though. See what that does look like. Get me another one of my butter knives up here. These really ain't butter knives. These what they call the icing spreader for cake. But I call it a butter knife. I mean, you can spread butter with it too if you wanted to. You know, country boy want a little butter on his biscuit. You find something to spread it with. I'll tell you. Form that back up there just a minute. All right, we done it. Woo. Hey, y'all hold on. Gotta get that back of that teeth, boy. I tell you what. Oh, I done drunk so much tea today trying to stay cool down at that farm market. But it ain't even funny. Probably drunk nearly a gallon now. Oh, I look pretty good. Better not just a little bit longer. What about doing these here laminates, man? I tell you the truth, they just gotta get them things just right. Here I am running my mouth, trying to get this stuff going. I ain't even put my bar back on here. I've been shooting using both of these dual injectors and a single injector. I tell you the truth, it's just been a mess down here. I can't get that dude up for some reason. There it goes. I ain't got these hooked together. I ain't gonna do nothing, you know. But I use this thing sometimes like that. I take the bar out and make me 3 shots on the mold. I ain't got no real big mold. Right yet, I ain't got several different of them. One time to sell, had to make do what I can, you know. Oh yeah, that's right there, man. I'm gonna put a little extra in here. I had some of this here in there for the shoot, but I didn't want to yell it up too much. I didn't put too much of it in there. We're gonna try a little bit more in there. See what that's gonna do for everybody. I don't think it ain't gonna hurt it. It's gonna yell it a little more, maybe. Give it a little bang anyway. I don't put that much in that food I did there, you know. I'm gonna shoot these things probably we try to put that much in there when I get through. That kind of give it a little bit of shimmer. That's what I want on it. Shoot a while ago. I didn't want to get it real yellow. You want to chartreuse, you know. So put that clamp on that thing. That 2-4 I forget. Y'all hold on. I don't think I really might not need it, but I ain't never shot this mold. And I don't want to mess with it. I see just a little bit this here chartreuse flake here going. I don't know if it's gonna show up or not, y'all. We gonna try it. Chartreuse on chartreuse. Hey, y'all, that gonna look pretty good right there. Ooh, that gonna look good. What you talking about? What you talking about? I'm probably gonna have to heat all this back up again. It got a little stiffness in it. Think I want to do a little bling on that right there too. It already got the bling to it, but I will put another little flake in there before we get to shooting. Find my gun here and see what temperature it is here. Yeah. See that about ready to shoot right there, man. Woo, that's ready to shoot. Yeah, I am just killing around. We gonna get it, folks. Just hang in there. We are gonna get it. See that spoon up. Put a little spark of gold in that green pumpkin. I like a little spark of gold in my green pumpkin sometimes. Kind of make that green pumpkin pop a little bit more. I have to watch it do, though. It is a little heat sensitive. It ain't as bad as they say it is, though. That's all I tell you. It is not as bad as they say it is. I know because I done got pretty hot. Yeah, now that gonna look good. Along with that chartreuse and that chartreuse flake, man, that gonna pop just right there. All right, let's see what we got temperature here is on that here. That in there just a few seconds. I think we'll be about ready to shoot. Top color looking pretty good with him. Get these here colors matched up. I mean, heated up. That temperature just right on both of them, about the same, close to it you can get it. You can go with this stuff, man. It looks good. All right, let's get our injector here. I'm probably gonna wait. I'm gonna do this, but I ain't gonna take time to put them gloves on right now. Hey, right now, it's looking good on them injector. Don't look good for well. Hold a little pressure. Bring it up, top it off a little bit. I'll shoot it out. I tell you what, they're gonna look good. I do believe. See that on them injectors, that boy, that looking good already. See what we got in this blending block here. What can blind say? I ain't never shot it. I don't know how much that thing gonna drink. You know, not drink too much. Get the, it ain't a real thick lizard, you know what I'm saying? It don't not drink too bad. Ooh, they're gonna look good. They're gonna, they're gonna be on. If you see that line in that little cut right there, you put them two together, man. That's gonna get it over a little closer for you. I believe that's gonna be a good looking lizard, man. Gonna be a good looking lizard. Get back in that pot right there. Think I got the right call putting that chartreuse flake in there, boy. Ooh, that look good. If it look good, I'm gonna shoot around these up. That bowl was a little bit cold. I hope it's shot. I think we can open it. Yeah. Mm. Came out there on one side, didn't that come out perfect? Not quite, but isn't it about did? Look at that lizard. Can y'all see that lizard there? That look good. Feel that thing back. We see that chartreuse belly on there, not too good. You can't see it real good, can you? It's there, but it can't see it real good. See if we can get it up here. There's a laminate line on there, but it ain't much one. Get that old string off there so we can see it. You can see it. There it is right there. See it? It's a little bit of laminated line in there. I tell you, them things ain't gonna look good though. I kind of like it. That ain't too bad first time to shoot the old lizard. I don't know how many I'm gonna get out of that cup. Maybe I get a pack, 2 packs at least. I hope I get at least get 2 packs out of it. But anyway, folks, anything y'all see in here you like, just give us a holler and look us up at Sweet and Sassy Facebook, Sweet and Sassy Baits on Facebook. Messages, we'll get back with you, and we'll just hit the like, share, and subscribe button. Like I say, if y'all need some baits, the old lady be down at the farmer's market next week with some of her little whatnot thing, bird feeders, I think she calls them, and some shirts, and she'll have some of the baits down there with her. And I'm gonna be over yonder doing a good deed, helping out the youngin'. I like to help youngins. I mean, they get under my skin sometimes, but I do like youngins. I mean, they ain't doing nothing but being youngins. I guess I was like that when I was a youngin', but I like to go down. Boy, I like to see a little fella catch a big old fish. I like to see him catch a fish. Boy, that thing be about that long. That just do me good if I did that. But I'm gonna go down there and help them and get them interested in fishing, trying to get them interested in it, and interested in the Lord and all, and keep them out of trouble like that. But anyway, like I say, if you see anything you like on here, look us up on Sweet Sassy Facebook page, and come see us at the farmer's market this year. And until then, we are out of here. And y'all keep fishing.